Friends, we must have heard this word called retrofit in our industry, in our day-to-day life, retrofitting of HVAC system. And this is where I'm going to touch upon on today's video. Hi friends, welcome and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today the topic is retrofit of HVAC systems. And I'm going to look at a couple of components, important components, because the major energy guzzler within the HVAC systems are the main equipments which needs to be checked for its performance and see whether it needs retrofitting, right? So let us look at some of these elements. When we talk about energy saving and retrofitting for energy saving, chiller is a major source of energy consumption. We can look at the compressor retrofit. We can remove the existing compressor, check the suitability, check the compatibility, and go for higher efficient compressors which are available in today's market. The, the range of saving energy would be between 6 to 9%. The second way is adding VFD to your compressors, which the compressor can modulate based on the load condition, right? So if you don't have the compressor right now with VFD, you can add it. Again, check the compatibility of your existing system for adding this VFD. So if that happens, we can get as good as 20%. There's a potential of 20% energy saving. The third one is improving the chiller efficiency itself. So if you look at the operating optimum efficiency of the chiller, you need to find out based on the data of actual logs and find out which is the optimum efficiency band of the chiller, right? So when the chiller is designed for suppose X delta T and X chilled water outlet temperature, if you're able to manage with little higher outlet temperature, which can yield a lot of saving, maintaining all your parameters same, just increase the chilled water outlet and maintain the same conditions, you can get huge amount of saving over here. The next one is again issues related to water quality, and that is the fouling aspects of condenser. When we have fouling on the condenser tubes within the condenser, because of poor water quality, the energy efficiency, the heat transfer comes down. So you have to work more to get that kind of heat transfer. That means huge power consumption there. So if you maintain the water quality, again, you can get up to 10% of energy saving. The next one we can look at is changing the conventional expansion again by checking the compatibility by electronic expansion valve, which can modulate based on the load pattern. Again, this is another way of retrofitting. The other way of retrofitting is your condenser fan also consumes a lot of power. So if you convert those conventional fans with the EC fans, benefit of saving is close to 6%. So this is another way of saving energy. Then we can look at free cooling or economizer cooling that can also give you huge amount of power saving. This is one of the method where we can add, this is the adiabatic process where we can add the mesh and then we spray the water on top of it. We do the condenser air entry, the temperature of it is lowered, which actually helps you in improving the energy efficiency. And you can see over here that will again reduce the power consumption. So your heat transfer becomes better. You can do this. You can get the entry air cooler than the ambient temperature by having. There are various methods. I'm just giving one of the example over here. So these are some of the important things which you can do for equipment retrofit, right? Rather than changing entire thing, just you have to check the compatibility of what you're going to do and what is existing. So thank you very much for patient listening. For such wonderful videos, please subscribe my channel. Please give your valuable comments. Please tell me which videos you want to see so that I can work on it. Please follow me on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and ajazkazi.com. Thank you so much.